Hello everybody, my name is Elvi, one of your youth counselors at Camp at Sea in Celebrity Cruises. And today I'm here because I want to show you some nice crafts from our creation stations that you can do at home. First, we have this nice little chick that you can do very easily with materials that you can find at home. Next, we're gonna find some more material to make an amazing bunny that you can do as a gift. Now for this very little chick, I'm gonna give you the list of materials that you will need. First, you will need paper. Now you might have this construction paper, or if you don't have one, you can use just simple white paper that you can color using coloring markers. You can use crayons or coloring pencils. In this case, I'm gonna use this yellow paper. Then we are gonna use the glue, or it's easier too to do it with the glue dots, and scissors to cut out the papers. Also, if you have googly eyes, you can use them, but if you don't, it's very easy to make them with the markers, pom-poms, buttons, whatever you have at home is gonna help. So first, we're gonna cut from this yellow paper 3 stripes. It's easy if you fold it and then you cut through the line. This is 1 stripe. We're gonna fold to make the other 2. Same length, same size. It's gonna be easy if it's symmetric. Two, and 1 more. We need 3. And let's go for the 3rd one. I have my 3 pieces here, and now with the yellow one or the orange, we're gonna cut a little triangle so we can make the beak. Let's make the beak. Very easy to make. Now our chick can talk. Now we're gonna cut another piece while it's still folded, and it's gonna be for the legs. Let's put here kind of a heart shape. Like this. And this is gonna be the base. So first we're gonna get this first stripe, and we're gonna put some glue, just a little bit, not to get it messy. We're gonna stick it together, and this is gonna be the first ring of the body of our chicken. Now we get a second one, and we're gonna link it to the base, pass it over, and we're gonna put some more glue, and it's gonna keep it there in a perpendicular way. See? It's now kind of a bow. Now the next step is adding at the 3rd stripe, right here in the middle. I'm gonna add a little glue, and I'm gonna make the 3rd ring linking here in the middle, and now it is gonna be like a better body for the chicken. And now to complete the body, I'm gonna add a little bit more of glue, and the body of the chick is finished. Now the next step is adding the feet to the bottom of the body of the chicken. We're gonna use some more glue here at the bottom of the body, and we're gonna add it right in the middle of our feet. Now the next step is more fun because we're gonna put a face to our cheek. So you can use your markers and you can draw them easily. But if you have googly eyes, you can always use the googly eyes. You just need to put some glue and add them to the little face. One. And one more. This chick needs 2 eyes. We're gonna add them here. And that's it, see? Okay, now that we have the eyes on our cheek, we're gonna use the triangle that we used before. We pre-cut it. We have it here. And now we're gonna use the glue and we'll put it right under the eyes, right in the middle. And now we have our little chick ready to go. Now for our next craft, we're gonna use some paper. Remember, if you just have white, you can color it the way you want. But if not, and you can use different colors of papers, I'm gonna use the blue one, some pink, and orange. I'm gonna use googly eyes. But remember, if you have buttons, or if you have buttons, or if you can just use your markers, you can draw it themselves. And we're gonna use glue too. Remember, glue is very useful for this project. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a piece of our cardboard or paper. We're gonna fold it and we're gonna just follow the folding line. I'm gonna cut here a piece. Remember to be very careful with the scissors. Use safety scissors, it's better. We're gonna cut a second part, but not that wide. We're gonna change a little because this is gonna be used for the head. Follow the folding line. And you're gonna get 2 pieces of light blue. So we cut 2 pieces, one bigger than the other because one is gonna be used for the body and the second one is gonna be used for the head. Now we need to cut some ears. I'm gonna use some white paper for this. And if I want to cut it 2 at the same time, I'm gonna fold my paper in half and then I'm gonna go and use and make a shape for my ears this way. See? This is the way I'm gonna cut my ears. And inside those ears, I wanna put some pink color. I'm gonna use this piece of paper and I'm gonna make a little bit smaller than the ones that I got here. I'm gonna cut a shape here to be just inside those white ears. There you go. See? It's gonna look so pretty. I'm gonna leave them here. Now I got all my cutouts that I need for making this bunny. I'm gonna make like a little roll here and I'm gonna put some glue and I'm gonna stick together to make the body of our bunny. Now I'm gonna do the same with my second piece of paper and I'm gonna roll it. I'm gonna put first the glue and I'm gonna make another roll because this is gonna be my head. Now that we got the second roll, I'm gonna stick it to the body because this is the head. We're gonna stick it above the body. I'm gonna put some glue and I'm gonna stick it on top of the body. Now next step is we're gonna work on the legs of the bunny. We're gonna fold this paper. I'm gonna use this color for the legs and we are going to make like a heart. Just for the legs. And this is the shape I want you to do. You unfold it and now it's ready for the base to be glued here at the bottom. And now you have the bunny legs. Next step, we're gonna use the ears, and we're gonna put them right at the back. Glue on top, just a little, and we're gonna put it at the back of the head. We're gonna do the same with the other ear, and we're gonna glue it right at the back. And I have my bunny ears. But now we want to put some more color on these ears, so this is when I use these little pink ones. We're gonna put some glue and we're gonna put them inside of the ear so it looks prettier. The same with the other pink part. We're gonna glue them on. And we got the bunny ears here. What is next now? We are gonna make the little face of our bunny using these googly eyes. We're gonna use some glue on both, and we're gonna put it on the face. And now we're gonna stick them in front. Now this bunny is gonna look around. Now the easiest way to make the rest of the face is gonna be using our markers. I'm gonna use this marker and I'm gonna make the bunny's nose, that it's like a triangle but upside down. You can do it like a circle, you can do it like a triangle. From there, you're gonna get whiskers. Hey, you wanna do eyelashes? You can do the eyelashes here, however you want. I'm gonna put them here, some eyelashes. Hey, where are the teeth? I'm gonna use the teeth here. You just can make your bunny with a marker. So this was our project today. I hope you enjoyed it, and you can do it at home with your family and friends. And it's very easy to do. Here from Camp at Sea in Celebrity Cruises, we thank you for watching us and see you next time.